Okay, this is my new CNC upgrade. This is also my new CNC camping block right here. So I made there yesterday. It's got the X on it. But as we chuck that down there and put a timber on top, turn on the pump, and then just give it a little push. And it just camps on there like that. And she's locked on there. He ain't gonna be moving anytime soon. Solid as. Turn it off the pump. Boom. See my little room, my little pay room. Laser cutter. Got all my other electronics here. It's a heating plate, my vacuum, my BJ machine. It's all parts and stuff. My cleaner, my vacuum needs to get used a lot more often.